2. Jackpot jig. Not bad ones either. There you go. It's perfect for this type of stuff right here. I love it.